episode for high juicy news. Meba Obibia Akwaba. I had the latest hot era made bremo. And unti so we subscribe to channel idea bomodia say be subscribe. The way say we click the subscribe button, you know. Now wa barely notification, you know. We answer video for be upload, you know. When the first person once ebe can sa video. Afi uwiana wa like video, give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ma fufuro so na when you be here na wo ensemo a ekoso ewo gara memon afi tentimara yembura ye ensemo a abeto yepno so eye NPP one di the mobi ehihye so one is save the judiciary ekoso na no na eye nsebi EPP mu eye Afenyo Markin eye minority leader oni police ni bi enya pinche kakra makoye nsembebri na no na police for no ababontin edit statement abetudwa achese one to ensafre eye Afenyo Markin wo nyema ekoso ewo video ni mu na yemkohwe eye police statement no na fi yemhwe nsema eye Kevin Taylor so react efa eye de bohu ma wodo to be money eye IGP for no se be ya Afenyo Markin no yenchene yen charge no na eno na police for this statement ababeto abonti yenkohwe statement no na fi yenhwe ye kiti Kevin Taylor reaction efa eye nsema ekoso ewo demo na se yedi kanhwe eye statement no o say Ghana Police Service one a Facebook page nsema one day beto hodomo what you say police invite Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markin to assist investigation to viral demonstration video. Now, what can I say? The Ghana Police Service has reviewed several video footages on an alleged assault on a police officer by Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markin during the just ended demonstration. Now, when it just say video be brave, one is na one who say yeah. Alexander Afenyo Markin oni police ni bi chese wa assault no chese or the nsake kan aye police ni na no na wana to ensa their friend or say following the review the service has written to Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament requesting the release of Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markin to assist ongoing investigation into the alleged incident. The no na wana trokrata tintin ediamaye Speaker of Parliament on the penia wadaye Parliament say ebeya obema kwan ama yetimi ejaya Afenyo Markin na chese police for enya kwan aye ehwehwemu efa aye video ebeto abontia chese wa sorti aye police officer. Na one to say the officer in question will also be assisting the investigation. Let's say a police near a Afenyo Markin in Sakekano no ono so beboa ma e hwehwemu etimi akoso. Na yenkohwe yes footage ya one so say Afenyo Markin bi kase obo na su just akoye nsembebri akohwe video no na fe yahwe ye Kevin Taylor ono so ne reaction a wode tudwa fa ho yenkohwe ye video no na yenhwe de ekoso ewo a demonstration I say you share video now man for so say Afenyo Markin in Sakeka a police video with amount for to say Afenyo Markin eden in Sakeka a police no yes I share video review. We dey be mo kase obo police ni na sumu yes I hear sa session will be we dey a course so hold more a demonstration I say I don't know police for a trokrata tintia one say Afenyo Markin omra na yenye hwehwemu emfa de ekoso ewo hodomo na yenkohwe Kevin Taylor the reaction efa demonstration ya course na nsembebere PP mu yenkohwe a what to be man Afenyo Markin any IGP a what say yeche Afenyo Markin na Kevin Taylor de ensemble do na ara na atoja yenkotie ni nsema no yenhwe de ekoso
Hello, mama. over the mouth. What's the fire day?
What's today?
What's the fire day?
What's today?
On the mouth, the fire.
Minimo.
I don't know a cross. I wouldn't matter the crowd.
Be general, mommy.
Who are over the mouth? What's the fire day?
What's today?
What's the fire day?
What's today?
On the mouth, the fire day.
I didn't tell me about. What's the matter?
What's the day?
What's the matter?
What does it say?
Minimo.
I don't know a cross. I wouldn't matter the crowd.
Be general, mommy.
Who are over the mouth? What's the fire day?
What's today?
What's the fire day?
What's today?
On the mouth, the fire day.
I didn't tell me about.
Osisa one free Winniba. Aboakye what is ban we ano what is all good car with them punching what aban clean obema table me kuta odema wa e pega table e ban kanfo dem radio phone work abrofo dodo e wa ka wanu dwum kwa me atoso tumi kana no dwum into ono so do ye busa ne nsam and I say me na obeba na odema minimum ko na yeto NPP ko demonstration NPP ko demonstration enti yenja bibia out of frustration, and the minority leader, Madam Torkonoo's boyfriend, he slapped the police officer. And I expect the Ghana Police Service to release a statement on that. You know the reason? Because Afenyo Markin ebo police in Yasum. And as a minority leader, this is Afenyo Markin, he slapped a professional police officer who was protecting such a twerp. Afenyo Markin was being protected by a police officer and a police officer said you was around the on the way a V8 and a police officer waging a rehearsal for hours. Afenyo Markin, who is supposed to know better, also a lawyer or a minority leader, he actually stretched his hand at the police officer. Obo police in Yasum, and this political party, you expect young people like us to get up. Sorry, send me the NPP. Memkasama NPP. Mejimi. This is Afenyo Markin. Out of frustration because Odimsek or PBB, you see, at a point they wanted to cause commotion. At a point they wanted chaos. At a point they wanted to push the police to the wall. Na BBNC, na etuonto, na BBNC no makase. Police for Mahamama police for Bomutu. It was not happening. When they go to the Jubilee House, yaya barricades. Before you go through the barricade, we need to know you, identify you, and know who you are. Because you are entering the Jubilee House. Sebio and Akufo Addo Papa Fie. You are entering the seat of government. Until you cannot just be said, may I Afenyo Markin at least they need to have a physical assessment of you before you are given that nod to enter. Afenyo Markin and Kwabena who say, John Mahama and Abain, they have given them every access. Access bia chaos obiani police for have been professional. He wanted to start something. He wanted to confront the police. Now opese police for reacting. Now afe intokwakwesi in front of Jubilee House. Now afe okoka say John Mahama police for the instructions omumbo ono minority leader and NPP for in front of the Jubilee House. And I'm expecting the Ghana Police Service to release a statement on this because I dare Afenyo Markin here no sebio Senka police ni na tinin nsa ewo Afenyo Markin so a ankenda na dwinkianda. This is Afenyo Markin. This is Afenyo Markin slapping the police officer. He actually slapped the police officer twice. And the Ghana IGP boss is sitting there. He should be charged. He assaulted the police officer. 2 times Afenyo Markin slapped the police officer. This twerp, and we sit in Ghana. This is a person who is supposed to know the law. He is the minority leader in parliament. He slapped an innocent police officer 2 times. So imagine, say, a police officer in the tenant and say, Afenyo Markin, so can I drink better? But the IGP is sitting there. He thinks that we are building a church. The IGP is sitting there because he used to have friends in the NPP. So when the NPP they fool, the IGP covers it up because Jimmy. Now, sir, just away from Afenyo Markin. When a young man tomorrow shoots a policeman in the head, are you going to go arrest the policeman? Afenyo Markin is a member of parliament. He's a lawmaker. Afenyo Markin is a member of parliament who knows how the law works. And also he's a lawyer. And you, the IGP, you are sitting there like a toy. You think this is a joke? You think this is about going to church and going to dance? You think that the law was made for you and your friends? You have to be fired as an IGP. You are a waste of space. Afenyo Markin, a member of parliament, leading a protest. A young police officer stands in the sun for hours to protect Ghanaians and protect Afenyo Markin. Afenyo Markin gets in front of the Jubilee House and slaps a police officer. And you, the IGP, you sit there like we are joking in this country. If you cannot be the IGP, just fucking walk out. He needs to be arrested. He needs to be charged with assault. And we sit there and we are sitting there, innocent person be the one. Why is Afenyo Markin walking? Why is the police not bringing a statement out? Why is he not being invited? A police officer was assaulted by the minority leader. Watch the video again. You, this IGP, you will never have peace under me. This is right in front of the Flagstaff House, the seat of government. Right in front of the Flagstaff House. And this fool, you want me to respect him? Now, honorable. Now, I am a teacher and go for honorable, like NPP for Jimmy for honorable Kennedy Agyapong. What is it? Maybe man of Kennedy honorable? My foot. Why should I call Afenyo Markin honorable? Now, you know why? Mama try the crow. This IGP is not ready to work. This IGP is just a slow motion IGP. Then people like us, we are not going to make your job easy for you. After Afenyo Markin slapped this young police officer twice, they quickly went to Joy News. You know what they went to do? Muntie Richard Ahiagba, the director of communication, NPP. Muntie Senior Adia Moshe, see how the guy narrated it on TV. And the IGP is sitting there. You're sitting there like a toddler. You are sitting there like a church mouse, tolerating this nonsense. Now, Ochina young man, police, are you going to arrest that person? Listen to the NPP. You see what they did? And they sent their communications officer to go on TV to lie about what we all saw. Now, listen to their defense.
But we managed to submit that petition. You know, this thing is talking about Honorable Afenyo Markin having attacked.
There's a video where he's seen pushing the police officer.
Yes, it was chaotic. It was chaotic. We commend the police. DCOP duty. I commend him. He's done great work. We appreciate that. But it got to a certain point, you know, there's this tension when we want to let people in, people out, and all of that.
This was around the Jubilee House area?
No, this was around the Parliament.
Right.
Right. So it was a very tense space. Myself got caught into it, trying to create space. It was very tense. And then in that process, the leader was hit very badly, this way, right on his chest, and he actually was almost taken out of the match. I had to take him to the washroom and it kind of just cool down. Afenyo Markin. So it was, if you saw anything as though he's attacking anybody, it's a reflex trying to defend himself. It wasn't anything that he intentionally.
So he was rather hit by a police officer.
He was hit by the police officer right on. I was standing right by him. He was hit this way on the chest because perhaps the police officer didn't know him, didn't identify him, and hit him on the face. So I had to tell him that this is the minority leader. And then he kind of cool off and then allow for him to enter. So my brother's propaganda won't wash. This is a massive demonstration. Their government, this government.
Yeah, here's some nonsense. And I'm so pissed with that journalist sitting there. You saw the video. And you, Elton or whatever, sitting there like a junkie. You saw the man hit the young police officer. Where in that video did Richard Ahiagba take Afenyo Markin to the washroom and brought him back? I didn't question journalism, no. We saw this thing on TV. We have all witnessed what happened. We have witnessed it. The guy is lying. And you, a journalist, instead of you to protect the police officer, because like a police in a share we assume, and NPP will make the whole demonstration about that and say the government actually sent the police officer to hit Afenyo Markin. Now, Kwasia Webejina TV so catcher will say, Afenyo was hit on the chest and that he took Afenyo to the bathroom, to the washroom to clean up because police board or born the bono. No one. Into police, you know, a Afenyo Markin bosso, a man in the name, into Richard Ahiagba, a time they call bathroom, and on Saturday by room. This is what we saw. Where did the policeman hit Afenyo Markin? Where did the police officer hit the guy? And when did he take Afenyo Markin to the restroom to go clean him up to bring him back to now come enter? Why are we lowering everything in Ghana all in the name of politics? And we the journalists who are supposed to be fair, we have to be solid, resolute, and ask these people we need to be firm. We are sitting there like foolish idiots. We all watch the same thing. You make this clown. Jimmy Wabejina TV so catcher will say Afenyo was hit on the chest and he took him to the bathroom and Afenyo was collapsing. Afenyo into Afenyo Markin has assaulted a police officer. The minority leader who says is a lawyer. The minority leader who says is a Oshemra Oniminyansa. The guy who is leading the 88 people in parliament. The 38.2 people. The guy has assaulted a police officer. A Ghanaian should be able to sue Afenyo Markin. But we sit in Ghana, media houses are playing this thing like a normal thing. Say, Ghana Police Office, and yet the IGP, if your men go out there and the young men out there, they strike them, don't make any noise. If any police officer is attacked in Ghana from today by Ghanaians, anywhere you send them and they get attacked, some get shot, do not make any noise. Because you are encouraging these kind of attacks on the police. Because now, We all know that you, the IGP, you see this as a normal thing. The young people on the street, that the police have to go out and protect themselves. You have given the police to them to destroy the police. If the IGP does not take any action on this, then you people, when you go out there, the people will come after you. They will assault you physically, because we have seen on TV. We have seen a whole minority leader slap a police officer because of a politician, because the party NPP, the IGP is saying no problem. I am going to remind the IGP of this incident every day, like the way I remind Anefi of his crimes. Every day I sit here, I will play this video, I will show to the IGP, and I'll let him know that that is the legacy. So free Ghana police moi until he takes action on this, until Afenyo Markin is invited. Afenyo Markin needs to be charged of assault. Until Afenyo Markin is invited by Ghana police and charged. The IGP will be on my show every day, because now we know that the young people out there, you can also attack the police. You are condoning that, and you are making that official, and I will help you. And if you're a young police officer in Ghana, now you say, this thing you are seeing is a joke. Do you know the thousands and millions of young people there who are taking inspiration from what Afenyo Markin has done? Do you know, Nipa Bebreba, young people Bebrebe, almost Sebio Adriboni wo mutima, they have watched this and taken some kind of inspiration from tomorrow. You will see how police officers will be attacked in Ghana, and people will make reference to this. Because politicians are not bigger than the ordinary Ghanaian. And when I say ordinary Ghanaian, the people who are not sitting in parliament, the people who are not in the Flagstaff House, the people you people are not seeing TV every day on TV, those are the people who are running this country. And if the IGP today is going to cover up for a criminal minority leader, Afenyo Markin, who attacked an innocent police officer, then the police, the civilians, we are equally right to attack any police officer who tries anything on us. I am saying this, and the IGP needs to listen to me. It is looking like he doesn't know what's going on. It is looking like the position is going into in his head. He's becoming pompous. He thinks that the position is a position that he has to retire with. He thinks nobody can do anything to him, but we can force you to do your job, and we can force you to resign, and we can force you to be sacked. So make sure this this minority leader, he's brought in and he is processed. Every single day, I'm going to show you the IGP on my show. I am going to show this video on my show to remind the young people out there that the IGP has given a green light that if the police or any police officer tries anything, attack the police officer, because the IGP is seeing Afenyo Markin and politicians better than you until the IGP takes a step, until the IGP decides to charge Afenyo Markin with assault. If he does not charge him for assault, then we are going to make sure every single Ghanaian, every single young man, so police need to try anything on you, try something on that police officer until the IGP takes a decision. Because this video, you cannot tell me that we should let it slide. So I'm promising the IGP, Mr. P, Mr. S, get me his picture that we will put on our show every day. We will let the world know what the IGP of Ghana, the kind of nonsense he's condoning. Obi call parliament, Emma, Eko crash, Obi, Eko say, Obi cash, you people jailed him. You, Ghana Police Service. A young man, we did not even check his mental status. He went to Parliament of Ghana, Oko crash, Obi, window keke. Moga police voted actually court me jailino. Mabu boda, moju see Jimmy. Some innocent man, we didn't even know his mental status. Ora Parliament, occupy cash keke. You people you convinced a judge to jail that man. You police, you Ghana police, you convinced a judge to jail that young man. We did not even check his mental status. This foolish man called Afenyo Markin, or a minority leader, he attacks the police twice. This guy slaps a young police officer twice. Now, young police officer no, or no such opportunity. Now, say, okobokrono or bobitua. Why mistake? Adia china the two police officer and same. Now, also, everyone's life is at risk because and we are beating them in public. Nobody say anything. Now, okitoro bobitimutua. Has he made a mistake? Adia nkwasia some na modete Ghana no. And the president and everybody in the NPP, NDC, they look weak to me. The president to every single person in the NDC, they look weak. This nonsense happening. Some questions say and they Akufo Addo bet Messi. Some questions say we share the TV and they Akufo Addo. Will it ever happen? And yakasa mo be deep power mo NDC for. And mo just say otchere sorry. The nonsense must stop. The foolish diplomatic that kind of nonsense lifestyle. No, you people have put a stupid stop to it. Obit boom round so we need to deal with the person. Why are we building this country like otchere sorry? I didn't question no. Who is Afenyo Markin? So this is a promise from me to the IGP. I am promising you today. And if you don't take action on this, I will let the world know that you are the fake ass IGP. You have given the young people out there they should kill police officers on the street. They should attack police officers until you, IGP. Besides, thank you. Until you, IGP, you make a decision. Afenyo Markin is brought in and charged. I am never going to stop this matter. Because at least we all have seen the video. We have seen the footage. You cannot come into that office and make it your wife's office. You cannot come sit in that office and make it look like Osia Isro. You cannot come sit in that office and make it look like Osia Sumo. We are not going to worship you. We are going to force you to work. And if you decide not to work, we will sack you. What do you say? At the form, sir, people should win power and give you power for you people to misbehave. Take action. You have 24 hours to bring Afenyo Markin in. He needs to write a statement. He needs to be charged. You cannot tell me the court will only decide whether Afenyo Markin was wrong or not. You cannot come and tell us that he has come in, he has written a statement, he has gone. He needs to be charged. Because I am doing this to protect every single police officer on the streets of Ghana tonight. Do you know what that video is doing in the system? Unim confidence I criminals. Unim inspirational aboni for air taken from this video. And you sit there as an IGP. Masa, so what brako pefie bitinawu? If you think you are tired, I have your personal number here. I'll forward this video to you. Opa responded. Opa man responded. I don't care. But I want you to know, say, I will see, say, you have gotten the receipt. Why are we entertaining all this nonsense? Why is this happening? So the young man who's a police officer or a waster now, do you think people will be interested in going to the police again? Every day they have been on the receiving end. And the Ghana Police Service, the young people have been on the receiving end. Nobody speaks for them. Now, what's not police do this age? You are sitting there making this look like a movie. You are playing politics. How long have you got to be serving in the police service? I am promising you this, my friend. You can be my father. But at this point, I am speaking to you because of the position you fill. You are a public servant and you need to do what is right. With all due respect to you as a father, as a parent, I respect that. But you as the IGP, you need to deliver. We are not going to mince words because of your age. If you think you are too old, if you think you are not respecting you, leave that office and give it to somebody who is willing to do the job, who is willing to take the hits. We are not going to entertain this nonsense again in Ghana. For 8 years, this nonsense went on. Near to Hana Dampare, etam police phobi, say, or the armed robbers we kwa check location. Ya koya, ya bought a police for in Yatu, armed robbers too. Ye nipa, or a tip of ever seen there. Innocent people were killed. There were murders in the Ghana police and the Dampare. Dampare set up a whole murdering machine in the Ghana police service. We saw all that. You know all these things. Dampare, Oba Bontano Kuta Bible. Oba Bontano Betonya Minyom. But in the Ghana police service, he had murdering machine in the Ghana police service. Dampare had his own police in the police who were committing murder. You come in here and you're going to condone this nonsense and you're making police look like, say, so you are giving inspiration to people to go after police, to slap police anyhow. Who is Afenyo Markin? We need result. 24 hours, the Ghana police service, this is the footage. You need to give us results. We need a statement from the Ghana police service. We need a statement from you, the IGP. I swear to God, if you don't, the rest of my production till you will be like our nephew on my show. Every day I'll remind Ghanaians of what you are condoning in Ghana.
You waiting for waiting and some about beto yepono so a year NPP one day Moshe so save the judiciary and some course so a year Afenyo Markin minority leader when police tibinya pinche kakra nanona police for Ato and sa e dia friend say wamra na one year a year hwemu efan nanona kiti so a react wada nsem do na already because say we can subscribe to channel dia bomodian say obe subscribe no like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ba wo foforo so da when you be here na wo hu and some so ewo Ghana memha uso betimi achere wadwen afa yen some we nyira ho ewo comment box mu mobeti minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.